All right, folks, we got a car here, Honda Civic. It's got no brakes at all. What we're gonna do is, Stuntman's gonna do a 5th gear clutch dump. We're gonna see if we can snap this clutch into a few pieces here. Now, we're doing a 5th gear clutch dump. Let me see, what do you have here, Stuntman? You have it in 5th?
On these Asian cars, I call stick shifts. I say, hey, that thing's got a chopstick.
It's got a chopstick
So
in
we
there.
got 1st gear, 2nd gear. Let's see if we get a little tire smoking first. Hold on. Show the chain.
We got the chain because we got no brakes. Watch, watch. We're gonna warm them up, folks. Gotta warm up the tires for traction. We gotta look around for you know who.
All right, now check it out.
You got 5th gear?
Should I do a 3rd or a 5th?
I don't know. Let's try. You want to try 3rd
I'll try
for the
3rd.
first time?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. We got someone walking by.
Hi, civilian. Hi, honey.
Go ahead.
Get up close. Watch the left knee. Watch it come up.
Nope. What happened?
We didn't break shit.
We didn't break anything.
Probably roasted the clutch a little.
5th gear, 5th
Let's
gear.
try 5th.
Before we kill the clutch, we're going for 5th. You're cooking clutch under there. Look at it. You got clutch smoke. You got that smelly clutch smoke.
Do a little tire roll.
He's going through the gears. He's going through the gears, folks. Shifting again, Stuntman. All right, that's it, Stunt. All right, folks. This is how it's done. Look at that. Look at that tire level. All right, no more. What we're gonna do is, wow, look at this. Back it up a little bit and we unhook it.
My wife always wonders why I smell like burnt fucking rubber.
His wife wonders why he smells like burnt rubber. This is why, folks. Something's broken. Like, comment, subscribe, everyone. Wow. Still smoldering out. That's at least a bicycle tire under there. And look at the interior, too. Look at the vents. Wow, Stuntman doesn't play. Oh. Oh.
Holy shit, look at all the rubber.
Still smoldering. I love it. Like Hawaii. It's like a trip to Hawaii, folks.
Let me tell you, I'm so into doing neutral drops. I sprinkle this on my pizza.
Again, folks, like, comment, subscribe. Look at this. There's smoke coming out of the doors. How do you explain that? How do you explain that?
Come out of the doors?
Yeah. Fascinating, folks. And the vents. It's still pouring out of the vents. What the fuck is this?
It's coming out of the door back here.
It's coming out of the back door. Leave it, leave it. Grab this call. All right, we're done, folks. Time to get out of Dodge. Like, comment, subscribe. We're bringing you what we can. We tried it. It didn't snap. The clutch ended up slipping out. The clutch slipped out in 3rd, and it slipped out in 5th. We got a last burnout out of it. The end.